how are you? Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today I'm excited because we're opening up a brand new subscription box, and I think it's the smallest subscription box I've ever opened. Not saying that's a bad thing, but here we've got our little box. It is called the Secret Scent Box, so this is a fragrance subscription. So this is what the packaging looks like. It came in an outer box like this. So it's really nice. It can fit right in your mailbox. So I know some people have like smaller mailboxes or don't want things like packages left outside due to theft. I know that happens often in bigger cities, which is so unfortunate. But yeah, so today we're going to be unboxing this. But first, let's talk a little bit about what Secret Scent Box is. So Secret Scent Box is based out of the UK, but they do offer worldwide shipping. So it's like a fragrance discovery subscription. They have a subscription option for both males and females. You get 3 designer fragrances. They say they're 100% authentic, and they are each in 3 milliliter bottles. They say it could last 30 days if you use 4 sprays per day. So the pricing was in British pounds, so I did a conversion online. So it's about 13 British pounds. This comes out to be just around 15 US dollars. They do have a code on their website I found that's like April 50. I'll leave it down below, but you get your first month for 50% off, and they say you can cancel at any time. So I will link them down below along with that promo code I found. I'm also going to link down below an active giveaway I have going on that ends at the end of the month. So if you have not yet entered, check that out after this video. But yeah, I think we talked about all the details. Now let's get this little box open and see what's inside. So right when I open it, there's a card that says Secret Scent Box, Hello Beautiful, for her. And then there's like little notes for, or little info cards on each of the scents. And here are the 3 fragrances I received. So let's start with the first one. Again, so these are each 3 milliliters. There's a sticker over it, but it looks like it is all the way full when I tip it over, so that is great. And this is Calvin Klein Secret Obsession. Just has an easy little spray bottle. So these are nice. You can easily fit these into your purse or even your pocket. So let's see, let me spray. I'll grab a few pieces of paper so we can smell all of them, or well, I can, and I can tell you about it. I've definitely heard of this fragrance before. Ooh, it smells good. It like reminds me of, I feel like I've said this exact line before, but like an elegant rich lady, kinda. So let me find the little card that goes with it. So these are what the info cards look like. So it gives you the description. I love reading fragrance subscriptions. So Calvin Klein Secret Obsession, an intoxicating oriental fragrance that fuses notes of forbidden fruits, exotic flowers, and sultry wood tones to create a fresh, provocative scent. Okay, that wasn't too weird. Sometimes fragrance descriptions are just like so cheesy, but that was fine. So it gives you the top, middle, and base notes. So top notes are plum, rose, nutmeg, and mace. Mace? I don't know. Maybe that's something else. I'm thinking of like the self-defense mace. Middle notes are jasmine, tuberose, and orange blossom. And the base notes are sandalwood, amber, vanilla, and cedar. I like how they send this to you, because if I didn't get any of that information, it'd be really hard for me to describe that to you besides elegant rich lady. Let's move on to the next one. This is by Elizabeth Arden, and this is Always Red Femme. Again, yep, totally full. Ooh, I like this one better than the first. It's like more floral. Let's read about this one. So this intriguing, feminine, and dynamic fragrance is a spirited and sensual expression of the woman who sets the New York City pace. The top notes are raspberry, lemon, pear, blue currant buds. Middle notes are peach blossom, jasmine, and davana. Base notes are vanilla, patchouli, cedarwood, and moss. So far, that one is my favorite. And the last bottle here is Hugo Boss, the Scent Absolute for her. This one smells really good too. I'm just using these little like notepad papers to spray each of them. So this says, a brand new scent that captivates with a richer and more intense interpretation of the original Boss the Scent feminine fragrance. The top notes are honeyed peach, the middle notes are coffee, and base notes are vanilla and vetiver. That's the card. So I definitely like the second to the best. I think I like the Elizabeth Arden one the most. I think I like more fruity scents. It depends on the time of the year now that we're like getting into spring, but I definitely will use all of these. And I like the case that it comes in. It feels kind of like velvet, so you can, oops, so you can store them in here if you wish. But again, these can fit into anything. So when I first saw these, I was like, oh, that's like not that much product, but I did verify they fill it all the way to the brim. So you get three 3-milliliter bottles, so that's 9 milliliters for around $15, or well, $7.50 for your first month. So I was curious, I'm like, how does this compare to other scent subscriptions? So I just like looked up Scentbird. I haven't gotten that one in so long, but for Scentbird you get only one fragrance and you get 8 milliliters, so you get 1 milliliter less. I think you get to actually choose your fragrance for Scentbird if you want. This one, I believe they send you just like different samples, so it's like more of a discovery kit. And Scentbird costs $15, and I think you can get your first box for like $11.40. So with this one, it seems like you can get your first box for cheaper, and you get 1 more milliliter of product. I think this box would be better for someone who wants to discover more scents and get more than one per month, because after the first month they are about the same price. So yeah, just looking at it, it doesn't look like a lot, but overall you get an extra milliliter of product compared to like the more popular, or more well-known, I should say, scent subscriptions or fragrance subscriptions. So yeah, so that was everything. You guys have to tell me, do you guys use any of these fragrances? If so, what one is your favorite? Or what is your favorite fragrance in general? I would love to hear. Again, I'm gonna link all of the information down below. I hope you guys are having a great day. Thank you for unboxing this with me. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.